In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush SEO Writing Assistant. First, make sure you're logged into your Semrush account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different icons. Hover your mouse over the magnifying glass icon. This will expand a set of options. From there, under the section called Content Ideas, click on SEO Writing Assistant. When the SEO Writing Assistant tool opens, select the option that says Analyze My Text. The page will load and you'll see three main fields: one for your content, one for your keywords, and one for your target audience. Start by pasting or typing your content into the content field. This can be a blog post, a landing page, or any text you want to optimize for search engines. Next, move to the keywords field. Here, you'll enter at least 2 keywords that you want this piece of content to rank for. Type a keyword, then either add a comma or hit enter before typing the next one. This helps the tool clearly separate and understand each keyword. Now, set your target audience. Click the drop-down for target audience, and you'll be able to specify details like the country, region, city, language, and device type. This is important because search behavior can vary a lot depending on location and device, and the recommendations will be more accurate when this is set correctly. Once you've entered your content, your keywords, and your target audience, click on the button that says Get Recommendations. The tool will start analyzing your content. This might take a little time, so just wait while it processes your text. When the analysis is complete, you'll see an overall score at the top, usually shown as a number out of 10. There will also be a circular graph that represents 4 key areas: readability, SEO, originality, and tone of voice. The closer each colored dot is to the outer edge of the circle, the better that aspect of your content is performing. If a dot is closer to the center, it means there's room for improvement. Scroll down the page and you'll find more detailed sections with recommendations for readability, SEO, and tone of voice. These will include specific suggestions such as simplifying sentences, adjusting keyword usage, or aligning your tone with your intended audience. At the top of the page, you can also click directly on readability, SEO, originality, or tone of voice to jump to detailed recommendations for each category. For example, if you click on SEO and then scroll down, you'll see suggestions for recommended keywords to add, any issues with image alt attributes, and any problems related to internal or external links. Use these insights to edit your content right inside the tool, or apply the changes in your own document. That's all you need to get started using the Semrush SEO Writing Assistant to improve and optimize your content.